Oh my god. Thank you, Noodle, for the best date ever. I really appreciate that. All thanks to you, Itchy and Neat.
It was our pleasure, madam. We had the best day of our lives ever. Because now, we finally get to know each other about love.
Yep, it's been a fun ride, but we have to go home right now.
But before you go, there's a full moon tonight already. Look.
Yeah, I agree with you, Lisa. Tonight's the night the full moon came out already. I wonder what's gonna happen to us exactly when we get home.
We feel weird inside of it.
Noodle, is there something wrong?
Oh, nothing. Ooh, why am I acting so weird already? Ooh, is it hot over here? Or is it just me? Or even my...
Oh no, this might be a curse. Lisa, you have to stay back for a moment. Now!
Okay, Noodle. Maybe there's something wrong with you two already.
Happening to us? Oh no, my god. Oh my god, my hands. Oh shit. You're becoming clogged now. Oh no. Stay the door.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Our shirt, it's getting tighter. I'm gonna rip up any second now.
Noodle, I don't know what's happening to you, but I'm a little bit scared right now.
No, Lisa, please, don't leave. Oh my god, my voice! It's going demonic! Oh no. Just cross. Feels so bad. Please, Lisa, don't walk away. You're still here. Oh shit, we got a six-pack now, and we got a werewolf tail. No. Lisa, please don't leave us. We're not a monster, you know. We are still okay, my transformation's almost over. No. My face! No. Please, I don't wanna.
What have you guys become?
Listen, no. Please don't kill me. It's all my fault. I'm a monster. You better stay away from me. I'm a freak.
There. You're not a monster. I'm still your girlfriend. I wouldn't just kill you. I just want to be you as my werewolf pet.
What do you mean?
Look, Noodle, I am also
A werewolf dragon as well. You are? This whole entire time? Yeah, we sure do. Now that is what I call the best state and the best transformation I ever seen in my entire life. Ever. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you for hiding your secret as a werewolf dragon after all. You made my life better than ever before. Say, you want to tell Gochi, Monkey, and our friends about our new farms that we just got during our last date? Maybe you're right, Lisa. Now, follow me, because the lovers of the werewolf and the werewolf dragon has finally